How to sell craft supplies and tools on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So let's choose one of these products just to show you an example of what you're going to learn in today's video. Let's choose this one, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your shop page exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your product or the video as well if you have one, and how to enter as much pictures as you have in the product, and how to enter the price of the product, how to enter the options and the product details, and how to enter the description, and the last thing is how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's just close this page. Let's go to the main one, click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop, and here you have to go through 6 steps in order to do that. And the first one is the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then stocking your shop, then you choose how you get paid, then you set up the paying or the payment processes, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for your shop. So I'm going to choose this name. I'm going to remove this special character, remove the spaces between words, and add let's do this, and that's it. As you can see, the name is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. So here in this step, you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before we proceed to adding the photos or the pictures of the products and the details, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And as you can see in here, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to enter the price of the product. Then comes the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these red fields, and the same thing with the shipping as well. You will need to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is photos, and here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15-second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And if you want some quick tips, you have film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Here let's enter the title of the product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And here you have the category. So just type the product's name and you'll have a lot of categories to choose from, like the scrapbook and ephemera, fabric, yarn. Let's go with patterns and blueprints. And here you have some additional details to fill, like the craft type. You can select up to 5. Let's go with the first 5: 3D printing, basket weaving, beading, calligraphy, and carving and whitening. Then you have the occasion. You can search for one in here. Same thing with holiday. You can choose one in here. Then you have the renewal options. You can choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you can choose the manual, which is free. For me, I prefer the manual. And here you have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. I'm going to leave it a physical. Then you have the description. So guys, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then you have the production partners. If you have one, you can add him in here. You can fill their details. Then for the section tags and materials, I'm just going to skip them for later. They're all optional. Then we have the price. You put the price of the product in here. Then you move on to the shipping. As I said in the beginning, fill all of these red fields. Then the last thing is choosing a return and exchanges policy. You can choose the 30 days one, or you can choose another one, or you can even create your own policy by accepting what you want and refusing what you want. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.